Because of the free Splatoon demo and the upcoming Ketchup vs. Mayo Splatfest, Splatoon is regaining its popularity. Thus, I wanted to create this video outlining how to use the different gear abilities in the game. I will compare having none to having 1, 2, or 3 mains. So, to all the new players, or if you're just watching this, welcome to Splatoon. Let's begin. First, we'll test run speed and swim speed. Notice how I don't have any on my gear. Run speed affects the player's run speed while running and while shooting. It doesn't affect rollers or brushes, and it doesn't stack with ink resistance, which we'll talk about later. Run speed is useful for strafing and for getting out of the way of enemy fire. Swim speed affects the speed that your player can swim when on the ground or when climbing a wall. It's useful on pretty much any weapon. Notice how much faster my Inkling can run now that he has 2 mains of run speed. Now notice how fast my Inkling can swim with the 2 mains of swim speed. Next up is main Powerup, which has a couple different uses. For weapons like the splatter shot, it increases accuracy on the ground and in the air. For some weapons, it increases damage. And for others, it makes their shots bigger. As you'll see, the splatter shot is much more accurate in the air than it was before. This weapon does a lot more damage than it did last time. And this one has its area of ink increased by a bit. On to Special Charge Up, which decreases the amount of points needed to get your special. Look at how the bar fills up quicker than it did before. Now let's move on to a couple more. Special Savor retains your special meter when you die. Ink Saver main allows you to shoot longer with your weapon, and for roller types, or sloshers, they get more shots than they did previously. Ink Saver Sub decreases the amount of ink needed to use your sub-weapon. while ink recovery allows you to get back that ink quicker. We still have quite a few more to look at. Quick super jump allows you to jump to teammates anywhere on the map. Usually special power-up just increases duration, but in special cases it'll give you more range and potentially more damage. Sub power-up increases the range of any sub-weapon. It also increases velocity. With squid beacons, it allows your whole team to jump to your beacon faster. Here are the last few abilities. Ink resistance allows you to walk better in enemy ink, and prevents you from taking as much damage when stepping in it. Bomb defense allows you to take more hits from sub-weapons and from special weapons. Quick respawn makes it so that you come back quicker when you die. Notice how I'm able to take one extra indirect hit before dying. quick respawn does not work if you get any splats. It also doesn't work until the second time that you die. Though there are some exclusive gear abilities, these are all the main ones. Thanks for watching.